I played the Swarm Simulator for 30 days. Day 3. I received my first polar bear quest.
Oh my god, Robux, please die. Oh, here we go. You're gonna die. 3, 2, 1. Nice, finally.
I also received my first honey bee quest.
Level 5. It's ingenious way. I have 1 hour of my honey day, so I have to take advantage. But I will replace this with not the frosty bee, not a rage bee. I want something new. Honey bee, perfect. Nice. 06. Okay, here we go. It's only 150. Let's go. Oops. It's so easy beating him, bro. Expecting a challenge, but seems like it's that easy. I think I'm ready to claim my gold egg, I'll be honest. Here it comes. Gold eggy. 3, 2, 1. Exhausted bee. I think. Oh my god, I cannot take this more exhausted bee. I don't need exhausted bee. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh, it's just like almost midnight. That's why I'm very tired here. But obviously I gotta push on and continue with my 30-day grind, alright? So please like and subscribe. You know, I'm actually getting. Oh my god, I already got 1.5 million. Well, basically. Let me get all this stuff as well. Let me get some free treats, some free honey as well. Why not? Because this guy is helping me with a lot, I'll be honest. Oh, I have 16 types of bees. Does that mean? Oh yes, perfect.
Finally, I reached 1.5 million honey for the best tool in the mid-bear shop.
Yeah, I do. Finish all the tools. The honey dipper. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Only here. Oh my god.
Mother Bear Beesmoss quest is officially completed.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Oh yeah, there's the gift box as well, right? Is there any gift box? Gift box number 2. There's no gift box number 2. Oh, there's only gift box number 3. So my god, that's kind of annoying. Oh yes, I can. Check inside. Yes, I got my first gingerbread bear right there. I think white business bundles can be good. That glitter and the soft wax. I think I will claim it for now. Boom, you got that.
Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for others, like and sub.